Face diet. Baby face. Beautiful skin, makeup long lasting. 1. Use fingertips to massage into a spiral coil around the forehead. Repeat 3 times. Two. Use fingertips to massage into a spiral coil on the skin around the eyes to the top. From the inside to the outside. And the skin around the eyes below from the outside to the inside. Repeat 3 times. Three. Use the middle finger to massage into a spiral coil on the bridge of the nose. From the top down to the bottom. Repeat 3 times. Five. Use thumb and index finger, pull the skin over the face, then gently twist. Repeat 20 times. 6. Light pressure from the palm to the forehead, temples, nose, ears and mouth to the chin. I hope this video has been helpful. And you like it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. And like and comment below.